Are you a stargazer? Do you like watching constellations and enjoying their patterns? Well, now you can see the sky and find out the constellations that will soon be your internet provider. Hello viewers, welcome to TechWiki, where you get to know the latest updates related to technology and engineering. In today's video, we will talk about the 5 things that you should know about SpaceX's Starlink. Before we begin with today's video, please take a deep breath and subscribe to our channel. Hey, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we come up with a new video. Without any further ado, let's start watching the video. 1. Use satellites to provide internet. Providing internet through satellites is not something new. This concept is living worldwide, and companies like Viasat are already using this facility. Then what's different about Starlink? You know Elon Musk always moves ahead from what's normally happening. Though the satellites were being used already to provide the internet, they were being used at a very low rate. People living in urban areas are only able to avail of these facilities, whereas Starlink is designed so that you can use the internet provided by these satellites anywhere. 2. Elon Musk is planning to launch 42,000 satellites. Yes, you heard it right, 42,000. Do you remember that once Elon Musk said that he wants to provide every human with high-speed internet facilities? Most of us took it as something normal, and our wild guess at most was that he would give us 5G or 6G. But all this time, Elon Musk had different plans altogether. To bring his dream of giving internet to every person, he has Starlink. And to bring Starlink to life, the plan includes launching 42,000 satellites into space. It will be an historic act because such a vast number of satellites have never been launched before. To date, SpaceX has launched 62 satellites. They assure that they will launch 12,000 more satellites in the near future, and after some time, a total of 42,000 will be launched. With 42,000 satellites in space surrounding the Earth, the planet will look utterly different from what it looks now. With stars all over, the sky will twinkle even more. 3. Starlink will provide high-speed internet. Good to know, but how? Many people have this question of how Starlink is going to provide us with high-speed internet. Well, it includes pure physics. Traditional satellite internet providers consist of a base station, one satellite, and another base station. The transmission of data and traffic will occur from the same base station to another through that same satellite. That setup is not the case with Starlink. There are many satellites available in the setup, and the data from your base station goes to one satellite and travels to the 4 satellites arranged in a row. The satellites communicate with each other through laser, which has high traveling speed. These satellites reduce traffic on your side to a great extent by transferring it to any ground station they find nearby. Yes, there are going to be more than one ground station in one area to make the work of these satellites easy. 4. What about space debris? Space debris is the waste accumulated in space. The satellites, spaceships, and rockets that break down in space stay there forever and keep flying around there. It has been reported that the amount of space debris has increased. Launching 42,000 satellites in space means adding a lot to the space debris, because most satellites tend to survive for 25 years, and after that, they break up themselves. When many news reporters and other companies asked Elon Musk the same question, he said that he is also concerned about space debris, and they have taken proper care to not add to it. With such a vast number of satellites being in space, it is inevitably hard to control space debris. Soon, pollution will not only be a matter of concern on Earth, but it will rule space as well. 5. When will Starlink come into execution? Launching 42,000 satellites is not a task for one day, 1 week, or 1 month. SpaceX has announced it will probably take more than 5 years before you will be able to avail of Starlink's internet services. If Starlink makes all new constellations in the sky, what name will you give to your favorite constellation? Do let us know in the comments section. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the constellations. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet.